Here it comes.
شكرا brother Ali. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
Frigid, frozen, Minnesota, chip on his shoulder, sick sleeping on a pissy sofa, unwanted visitor in a different culture, missing home and can't go, they civil warring. Listen soldier, forget getting over, prison sit around the corner, homelessness even closer, kids with similar skin color still don't want you, spitting insult you, cause they been here longer, you leave the crib, it's guaranteed the pigs approach you, where you going, where you from, any weapons on you, your family is stressed out, you're getting older, you don't live the way they did back in Somalia. It's extra difficult to be a daughter, trying to keep it modest. The sin is all around you. Wear the wrong garments, your parents get an ulcer. If you wrap it up, the other children picking on you. Living two worlds with your eyes closed, tiptoeing on a tightrope, holding on for survival. Nobody to blame, it's just how it goes. Living two worlds with your eyes closed, tiptoeing on a tightrope. Just how it goes. Holidays and you know what the business is. You get 2 birthdays and 2 Christmases. Older you get, you resent how sick it is. They're trying to cover their guilt with the gifts they give. Bounce from his house to her house. Too bad that marriage didn't work out. Now you don't have a your house. Daddy fighting mommy. They both tell me they love me. If I get too close to one, the other one start acting funny. Mom went and had a baby with a different dad. You act happy to please him, but you're really sad. Seeing firsthand the family that you'll never have. Plus you ain't no real brother, you're just a half. Gotta pick up the pieces and move on. Bedtime stories, they read them on the phone. Live in 2 houses and neither one is home. Wishing you were grown, had the freedom to get gone. Live in 2 worlds with your eyes closed, tiptoeing on a tightrope, holding on for survival. Nobody to blame, it's just how it goes. Live in 2 worlds with your eyes closed, tiptoeing on a tightrope. Just how it goes. Daddy was a preacher, mama was a Sunday school teacher, big brother football squad leader. Now far be it for you to disappoint or displease them. You're just being what you feel you see in that mirror every time you peer in. Swallow the tears inside that empty feeling. A boy terrified to let the world in. He has girlfriends but doesn't want a girlfriend. He retreats inside himself where he lives life itself in secret. Daddy says people go to hell for being what he is, and he certainly believes him. Cause there ain't no flame that can blaze enough to trump being hated for the way you love, and cry yourself to sleep and hate waking up. It's a cold world, y'all, shame on us. Live in 2 worlds with your eyes closed, tiptoeing on a tightrope, holding on for survival. Nobody to blame, it's just how it goes. Live in 2 worlds with your eyes closed, tiptoeing on a tightrope, holding on for survival. Nobody to blame, it's just how it goes.
Get in the fight.
Push triangle. Whoever's on offense.
Oh yes. Oh yes. Fight.
Eric, go! Go, Eric! Get it! Get it! Get it! Get it! Get it!